Good morning, students. Today, our new topic is coordinate systems. Coordinate systems. Come on. First, we have one theorem. We'll prove this theorem. Come on, see the statement once. Let beta equal to b1, b2, so on, bn be a basis for a vector space V. Then, for each x in V, there exists a unique set of vectors. There exists a unique set of vectors C1, C2, so on, Cn, such that x is equal to C1, B1 plus C2, B2 plus so on, Cn, Bn. This is statement. Actually, we have beta is a basis for a vector space V, and also is given x in V. We have to prove it. This linear combination is unique. This linear combination is unique. Come on, proof. Given beta equal to b1, b2, so on, is a basis for beta is equal to b1, b2, so on, bn is a basis for vector space V. Vector space V. Basis. Already we know that basis means it have to satisfy two conditions: linearly independent and span. Linearly independent and span. So I can say beta is linearly independent, beta is linear span. Since beta is span, I am taking span condition, beta is span, there exist scalars. How many scalars? N scalars will exist. There exist n scalars C1, C2, so on, Cn. There exist n scalars C1, C2, so on, Cn, such that x bar is equal to C1, B1 plus C2, B2 plus so on, Cn, Bn. Equation number 1. Once again, given beta is a basis for vector space V, beta is a basis for vector space V. Basis means two conditions will satisfy: linearly independent and span. I am taking span, I am taking beta is span. Span nothing but I can write the linear combinations I can write. So there exist, here we have n bases, we have n vectors we have. So obviously n scalars will exist such that x bar is equal to C1, B1 plus C2, B2 plus so on, Cn, Bn. Now I will consider now we consider one more representation. X bar is equal to D1, B1 plus D2, B2 plus so on, Dn, Bn, where D1, D2, so on, Dn are scalars. We have to prove equation 1 is unique. For that, I am considering one more equation with the help of same basis, b1, b2, so on, bn. I consider simply x bar is equal to d1, b1 plus d2, b2 plus so on, dn, bn. Now I am solving equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Subtracting equation 2 from 1. Come on, subtract. Left hand side, right hand side, right hand side. X bar minus x bar equal to this equation minus this equation. So C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus so on Cn Bn. C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus so on Cn Bn minus D1 B1 D2 B2 plus so on Dn Bn. Equation 1 minus equation 2. X bar minus x bar equal to C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus so on Cn Bn minus D1 B1 plus D2 B2 plus so on Dn Bn implies x bar minus x bar 0 bar equal to, here B1 is a basis there, here also B1 is a basis there. I am taking common, I am taking. So I am getting simply C1 minus D1 times B1 plus C2 minus D2 times B2 plus so on Cn minus Dn times Bn. Equation number 3. Very simple. X bar minus x bar is 0. C1 minus D1 times B1, C2 minus D2 times B2, so on Cn minus Dn times Bn. Equation number 3 we got. Already we have, so this part is over. So see equation number 3, we have that one. Now since beta is basis, we have B1, B2, B3 so on, all these vectors are linearly independent. B1, B2, Bn so on, Bn are linearly independent. If they are linearly independent means the coefficients of B1, B2 so on, Bn all are equal to 0. Linearly independent. Nothing but each coefficient value equal to 0. C1 minus D1 equal to 0. C2 minus D2 equal to 0. So on Cn minus Dn is equal to 0. Nothing but C1 is equal to D1, C2 is equal to D2, so on we got Cn is equal to Dn. Implies equation 1 and equation 2 both are same. Equation 1 and equation 2 both are same. So simple I can say it is unique representation. X bar is equal to C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus so on Cn Bn is a unique representation. That's all. Once again, see this theorem. Coordinate system topic we discussing. In this we discussing theorem we discussing. The theorem is if beta is basis, B1, B2, B3 so on n vectors are there. If x is in V, x bar is equal to C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus so on Cn Bn is a unique representation, we have to prove it. It is a unique, only one we have to prove it. It is only one representation. X bar is equal to, we can represent B1, B2, Bn so on Bn linear combination in terms of unique representation, only one representation asking. We are verifying whether it is correct or wrong. I am considering one more representation. What is the representation is x bar is equal to D1 B1 plus D2 B2 so on Dn Bn. Equation 1 minus equation 2 I did, and already know that B1, B2 all are bases. Bases nothing but all coefficients are equal to 0. So we got two equations are equal. So simple I can say it is unique representation. That's all. Hence proved. Therefore, x bar is equal to C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus so on Cn Bn is a unique representation. Is a unique representation. That's all. Now, next definition is beta coordinate of x. Beta coordinate of x. See one of the definition ones. Suppose beta is equal to b1, b2, so on, bn is a basis for v and x is in v. The coordinate of related to the base beta are the c1, c2, so on, cn. c1, c2, so on, cn. These values is known as beta coordinates of x. Nothing but represented by x beta. We have to write the coefficient values. We have to write c1, c2, so on, cn. All these values we have to write in a vector form. This is known as beta coordinate vector of beta. Beta coordinates vector of beta. X beta is coordinate vector of x, are also known as beta coordinate vector of x. Very simple. We have beta as a basis. B1, b2, so on, bn, and x is in v. The coordinate vector nothing but c1, c2, cn, all this column vector with values is known as coordinate vector. And now based on this we have one problem. We'll do it. See once. Let beta is equal to 1 minus 4 5 0 2 minus 2 0 2 minus 2 4 minus 7 0 be a basis of R cube, and x bar beta is equal to 3 0 minus 1. Find x bar. X bar beta is given. X bar beta nothing but c1, c2, c3. X bar beta c1, c2, cn we have here given. C1, C2, C3 given. We have to find x bar. We have to find it. S less than ones. Given solution. Given basis already is given. So B1 equal to first base 1 minus 4 5. Given B1 equal to 1 minus 4 5. B2 0 2 minus 2. B3 4 minus 7 0, and one more is given, x bar beta equal to 3 0 minus 1. These values already is given. B1, B2, B3, B4, and again we have x bar beta. Now we will continue. Since beta spans, because already is given beta is basis is nothing but linearly independent span. I am taking span condition. Since beta spans, there exist 3 scalars, because 3 vectors we have, 3 scalars will exist. There exist 3 scalars c1, c2, c3, such that c1 b1 plus c2 b2 plus c3 b3 equal to x. c1 b1 plus c2 b2 plus c3 b3 is equal to x implies c1 already we have x bar beta is there. X bar beta nothing but c1 c2 c3. X bar beta nothing but c1 c2 c3, nothing but c1 value is 3 into b1 first base 1 minus 4 5 plus c2 0 we have 0 into second base 0 2 minus 2 plus C3 minus 1 we have into third base B3 4 minus 7 0. Just multiply it and add it equal to x. First row 3 1 ja 3 plus 0 minus 1 to 4 minus 4. Next 3 into minus 4 minus 12 0 plus 7. 3 into 5 15 plus 0 again 0. So simply we getting 3 plus 0 minus 4 minus 1 minus 12 plus 7 minus 5 and this is 15 we have. We got x, we got 1 minus 5 15. Therefore minus 1 minus 5 15 equal to x bar. That's all. So once listen, beta equal to 1 minus 4 5 0 2 minus 2 4 minus 7 0 be a basis of r cube and x bar beta is equal to 3 0 minus 1. For example, if 1 minute, small change is there in the question. This is 3 is there in the textbook, we have 3 nothing but this is 3 we have and this is we have 3 these are 9. So the answer is minus 1 minus 5 9. That's all. Nothing is there. So beta is basis b1 b2 b3 and coordinate vector is already is given. Coordinate vector x beta is given 3 0 minus 1, nothing but c1 c2 c3 b1 b2 b3. Simply we have to find x, we have to find, just multiply it, linear combination c1 b1 plus c2 b2 plus c3 b3 is equal to x. Just simplify it, we will get the answer as minus 1 minus 5 9. That's all. Next problem. Now the next question is find the coordinate vector x beta. Find the coordinate vector x beta of x related to the basis beta, where beta is equal to b1 b2 b3, where b1 b2 b3 already given, the basis is given and x bar is given 3 minus 5 4. Previous question, if you see previous question, he is given already coordinate vector is given, he asked to find x bar. He is given coordinate vector, he asked to find x. Now the present question is x is already is given, we have to find coordinate vector, nothing but we have to find c1 c2 c3. Scalars we have to find. In the previous question, first question, he is given scalars is given, c1 c2 c3 values is given and we calculated x bar, we calculated, and present problem x bar is given, we have to find x beta, nothing but we have to find coordinate vector, beta coordinate vector we have to find, beta coordinate vector we have to find. So these two problems, just difference is there. X bar beta is given, coordinate vector is given, we have to find x. The present question, x is given, we have to find coordinate vector. Yes, for this one I kept this problem same to know the differences of this one. X bar beta is given, we have to find x. The present problem, x is given, we have to find x beta. Yes, now given beta equal to B1, B2, B3 as a basis. Beta 1, beta 2, beta 3 as a basis, and also B1 first base is given 103, second base is given B2 218, and one more B3 also, base 3 also given 1 minus 1 2. Three vectors are given in the base B1, B2, B3. Basis vectors are given, and x bar also given. X bar is equal to 3 minus 5 4. Beta basis is given. Beta is equal to B1, B2, B3, and vectors also is given. Three vectors is given. So we assume it is B1, B2, B3. And now I will use the basis condition again. I will use the basis condition. Since already is given beta is basis. Beta is basis nothing but linearly independent and span. So I can use span condition, I can use it. Since beta spans, how many vectors are there? Three vectors we have. So I can write there exist three scalars. There exist three scalars C1, C2, C3 such that C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus C3 B3 equal to x bar. C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus C3 B3 equal to x bar. Come and substitute the values. We don't know C1, we have to find coordinate vector only we have to find. So we don't know C1, C2, C3. So C1 into times B1 first vector 103 plus C2 into second vector 218 plus C3 into third vector 1 minus 1 2 equal to x bar is given 3 minus 5 4. 3 minus 5 4. That's all. We will get three equations, we will get it. Come on, I'll write the three equations, I'll write. C1 into 1 C1 plus 2 C2 plus C3 equal to 3. Next 0 C1 plus C2 minus C3 equal to minus 5. 3 C1 8 C2 plus 2 C3 equal to 4. Equation number 1, 2, 3. We got three equations we got and three variables we have C1, C2, C3. These three equations we have to solve it so that we get C1, C2, C3 values nothing but beta coordinate vector. Now I solve these three equations with the help of echelon form. I will solve these three equations with the help of echelon form. Come on. Consider augmented matrix. Consider augmented matrix A B bar. Consider augmented matrix A B bar. I am considering augmented matrix A B bar. Come on, write. Coefficients of C1, C2, C3 as matrix A and B bar as right hand side values 1, 2, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 3, 8, 2 equal to 3, minus 5, 4. We will solve this equation with the help of echelon form. Below this diagonal line, I have to make it 0. In first column we have 1, 0, 3, we have 1, 0, 3. I will make this position as 0 because already this is 0. R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. R3 implies R3 minus 3R1. Come on, right? R3. Third row, 3, 8, 2, 4. 3 times of R1. 3 1 ja 3. 3 times 2 6. 3 1 ja 3. 3 3 ja 9. Subtraction we have to do it. Minus, all negatives are 0, 2, minus 1, minus 1. That is third row. First row and second row as it is you can write. Come on, write first row. 1, 2, 1, 3. Second row 0, 1, minus 1, minus 5. Third row 0, 2, minus 1, 5. Come on, check it once. Check the calculations once. First row 1, 2, 1, 3. Second row 0, 1, minus 1, minus 5. Third row 0, 2, minus 1, 5. Again I will go for echelon form. This element I have to make it 0. Very simple calculation. I am going to find C1, C2, C3 values with the help of echelon form. Continue. Echelon form. I will make this element as 0. This second column, this position. So R3 implies R3 minus 2R2. R3 implies R3 minus 2R2. First row and second row as it is, I will write the first row and second row as it is. First row 1, 2, 1, 3. Second row 0, 1, minus 1, minus 5. Now I will do this row operation. R3 implies R3, third row 0, 2, minus 1, 5. Second row we have to multiply the 2. Multiply 2 here 0. 2 1 ja 2. Again minus 2, minus 10. We have to do subtraction. Minus, plus, plus. 0, 0, 1, 15. 0, 0, 1, 15. And now R3 implies R3 minus 2R2. R3 0, 2, minus 1, 5. 2R2 multiply 2 0, 2, minus 2, minus 10. Simplified it. We got 0, 0, 1, 15. 0, 0, 1, 15. Now we will go for the equations. Come on, write the equations. C1 plus 2C2 plus C3 equal to 3. Equation number 1. Now next C2 minus C3 equal to minus 5. C2 minus C3 equal to 5, minus 5. And here C2 equal to 15. Equation number 2, equation number 3. Equation number 3, C3 no? C3 equal to 15 we got. Substitute C3 equal to 15 here. C3 equal to 15 we got. Now equation number 2, C2 minus 15 equal to minus 5. C2 equal to minus 5 plus 15. C2 equal to 20 we got. And C1, first equation, C1 plus 2 into 20, 40 plus C3. C3 how much? 15 we got. 15 equal to 3. 45, nothing but minus 42. We got C1, C2, C3 values we got. Therefore, x bar beta is equal to C1 value how much we have? Minus 42. C2 value 20 and C3 value 15. This is coordinate vector of beta. coordinate vector of beta. So very simple to find coordinate vector of beta. Simply consider linear combination. X bar is equal to C1 B1 plus C2 B2 plus so on Cn Bn. Substitute the given basis and solve by echelon form so that we get the values of C1, C2, C3 values. If you substitute C1, C3 values in column wise, we call it as a beta coordinate or coordinate vector. Come on, once check it once. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the interactive class. Okay, that's enough. Now, coordinate vector topic is over, and next topic is change of coordinates. In the next class, we will see. That's enough for today.